Hello everyone, I am Konkona Dash. So today onwards I am going to start my new YouTube channel. I will try to explain it to you all in a very simple manner. If you have any difficulties in any part, you can comment me and I will definitely try to explain it. I've already told that we will start from C programming. So before starting C, this is the very first and foremost questions and very common questions also which always comes in our mind, that what is C and why should we learn C, and why should we learn C first. Starting of our programming career, learning C first is very important for all of us, because after learning C, if we are going to learn like C++, Java, Python, etc., it will be very easier for us because we are already know C, and C is called the mother language of all programming languages. Now, we humans can understand Bengali, Hindi, English, Urdu, Telugu like this, and we can also speak in this language, and if we communicate to ourselves, we always use these languages. But a computer don't understand these languages. So what is computer know? Computer know what? Computer know machine language, which is depend on 0 and 1, which is binary numbers, as we all know. And we humans know what? We know high level language. So to convert high level language to machine language, we need a compiler which can compile the high level language to machine language, thus the computer can understand. So there are various kinds of compiler for according to the programming languages. Like, as per the example, like for C programming, there are like GCC, Turbo C, Dev C, etc. And for C++, Turbo C++, GCC++, etc. Compiler are available in market. So compilers do what? Compiler compile the high level language to machine language. That means compiler compile our language to a language that computer can understand. Now see what I have written. This is the hash include stdio.h, then int main. Then we have then I have opened the parenthesis and parenthesis close, and then return 0 and mainly this semicolon. So this is the format for writing C. Okay, this is the format for writing C. So now let me explain why we are writing this kind of format. This hash include stdio.h, this part is the header file. Okay, and int main. Why we are giving here int? Int means integer. That is the part that we are promising our code that we at the end of the code we will return an integer value. That's why we are return 0. As we know 0 is an integer value, that's why we are return 0. But now you also can ask me that 1, 2, 3, 4, these all are integer value. Then why should we use 0? Now listen. This differs for the execution time. If we write 0 and if we write 1 or 2 or 300, 400, there will be a execution time difference. Okay? And for the semicolon, why we are using semicolon? At the end of any code, writing semicolon indicates that we are ending that part. Okay? Now in this part, I want to print hello world. Okay? So what should I write here? Now see, I have written here printf, not print, it is printf, and then hello world. After printf, I have opened our first bracket, then double quote, and under two double quote, I have written hello world, then I have closed the first bracket. And I have already told that we have to put a semicolon at the end of any code. That's why I have written here a semicolon. What is printf? So printf is a function where we are putting input. So whatever we want to print, and we want that when we run our code, then this word will print. That here I want that hello world will print, and that's why I have written the hello world within the first bracket and the semicolon in printf function, under printf function. That's why in the output the hello world will print. Now if we want to print something else, like only hello, so what should we do? Now see, here after hello world I want to print hello, so I have also written another printf here and then hello within the double quote and the first bracket, and after that I have put a semicolon. So when I will run this code, what will be our output? The output will hello world and then hello. But now I want to print that hello world in first line, and then second line I want to print hello. Then what should we do for changing our line? We should use /n. Okay, /n is used for next line. So in our previous part we have learned that to print two words or two different words, we need two lines, we need two printf. Okay, but in this part I want to print 3 or 4 lines within one printf. Let's see how. So here we are using two printf. First printf I have written hello world and then hello, and I have already shown the output here. So now I want to print hello world and hello like this manner. Like here hello world will print and after that hello will print. Okay, now I have printing two lines within one printf. Okay, so now here I have written one printf and then I have write one hello world. So if you notice that, you should see that here I have put some space vacant. Why? Because I want to put /n here. What will it do? I have told you that /n is works for next line. That's mean what? After hello world, if we put /n, that /n will force the cursor to went to the another line, and the cursor will went to the another line, and then here written is hello. So after that line hello will print. Okay, and here we are using one printf function. So now the output will be hello, hello world and hello.